So pool robots have come a long way, like a really long way. You know, I remember those things were like glorified vacuums that got stuck in corners and tangled up in cords. And now we're talking cordless, AI powered, self-navigating machines that can help you map your pool and clean it while you're sitting in your house doing nothing. Aiper sent over the Scuba V3 priced at $1,099, and they're billing this as the world's first cognitive AI powered pool cleaner. Look, AI is in everything right now, and I know a lot of people are annoyed with the name and AI. Look, I totally get it. So instead of just throwing that word around, let's just talk about what it actually does and whether it holds up in real usage. But first, let's talk about Aiper as a company for a second, because I think context matters here. Now, I've been covering their products for a few years now, and honestly, they've been on a pretty good run. When I first paid attention to them, they were making solid cordless pool cleaners in a space that was dominated by corded robots that felt like you needed a PhD to set up. Aiper came in with a cleaner, simpler approach, and pool owners noticed. They're now the #1 smart robotic pool cleaner brand in the world by sales and value. But why? Let's talk about the Scuba V3. They're going after something I didn't think we'd see in pool robots this soon: actual computer vision running underwater. So when they say this is their most advanced cleaner yet, we now have some proof. But let's get into what the proof is. The big thing here is navigation, and that is what separates Scuba V3 from a typical pool robot that just bounces around randomly until the battery dies. It uses an integrated underwater camera combined with the D-top optical sensors. The robot sends out light pulses, measures how long they take to bounce back, and builds a 3D map in your pool's interior. So you drop it in, it doesn't wander, it maps the shape, detects obstacles, and plans a precise overlapping lawnmower-style route. The system was trained on data of over 200 real pools across 2 years of development. There are 5 cleaning modes on this thing. You've got auto, which covers the floor and walls in sequence. In patrol mode, the robot uses its camera to detect where the dirt actually is, and it navigates straight to it. It seeks out debris rather than cleaning areas that are already clean. In testing, after tossing extra dirt into the pool, the robot went straight to the dirty spot after just a minute or two of scanning. Then there's floor mode, made for complete bottom coverage with obstacle avoidance. Walls only mode is when you just want to hit the sides. And waterline mode, which uses Aiper's Jet Assist technology to keep the robot moving horizontally along the waterline. The sunscreen ring has always been a thing that pool robots struggle with. Aiper is going after that part here directly. So if you guys are specs and numbers people, then let's talk about that. Suction is 4,800 gallons per hour. Filtration runs through the micro mesh multi-layered system. The debris basket is 3.5 liters, and the weight is something worth calling out at 18.1 pounds. It's one of the lightest pool robots out there with this level of technology inside. And then the retrieval process is a smart design too. When it's done, the robot will sit there on the water line for 10 minutes and it sends you a notification letting you know that it's done. You don't have to go fishing for it with a pole. You walk out, grab it, drop it on the wireless charging dock, and you're good to go. The dock is plug free. You just place the robot on it and it starts charging. You don't have to expose connectors. You don't have to dry things out. It's a clean setup, clean storage, and it looks really cool. I guess one more thing before you buy: you have to set your cleaning mode before the robot goes in the water. Once it's submerged, it loses Wi-Fi. And if you want to change modes mid-cycle, you do have to pull it out manually. Battery life is around 3 hours, and that's enough to clean most pools here on a single charge. And you can even run multiple modes back to back in one session. And then also there's weekly scheduling modes that you can build a full week of cleaning plans by analyzing your pool size, weather, and cleaning history. Once you activate it, the robot handles everything without you touching it. Not just a robot that cleans, but one that schedules and manages itself. Now, if you want to take things a step further, Aiper does offer the Scuba V3 paired with their EcoSurfer S2 Solar Surfer Skimmer as a bundle. This one handles everything floating on top, while the V3 handles the floors and the walls. I didn't test that combo for the video, but it's worth knowing that option exists if you want total coverage without lifting a finger on either end. The bottom line, the navigation is smarter than what I've seen from most cordless pool robots. Day-to-day experience is about as hands-off as pool cleaning gets. If pool maintenance is something that is eating into your weekends or your wallets, this is a solid way to take that back if you want to pick up this pool cleaning robot. And the average pool owner that I've spoken to says that they spend around 3 hours a week cleaning their pool out. And that's a lot of time you can get back enjoying your pool. Hit the links down below if you're interested. Kevin the Tech Ninja, thanks for watching.